So this is my first ever DIY tutorial. It's going to be how to fix a flat. Everyone gets a flat. So let's see. Basically, we're going to stick this hose here. Something like that. Gonna twist that baby on. I think. Oh shit! I hear air. Uh-oh. I guess I should have read the directions first. Let's see. Do not shake the can. Skip. There's no directions. I don't understand those directions. Push the activator upright. Oh, upright. I see. Really easy peasy. Alright. Getting ready to show you. Girls don't need guys to do tires. And that's it. It's supposed to make a noise. Oh shit. Oh. That didn't really work out very well.